Welcome back, guys. For this tutorial, I'm using a pencil, a paper stump or blender, and an eraser. So let's get started. First, I'm going to be drawing two circles right next to each other. Try to make them as similar as possible. Then draw two more circles, which are slightly larger than the first two. Connect the top part of the circles and the middle, just like that, and also the bottom, and then extend the lines from the middle. Try to make the lines even on both sides. Then connect the top part of the lip to the middle line and do the same thing on the bottom. You have your basic shape for the lips ready now. Go ahead and erase the additional guidelines that you drew. Now draw any type of rectangular figure on the bottom, as that will be your highlight. Slightly start shading around that highlight and blend it in inwards. The middle part should be lighter because that is where the light is reflecting off the lips. For the top lip, draw some guidelines from the center to show the curved effect of the lip. Then start lightly shading from the bottom and use a paper stump to blend it all the way to the top. Then by using an eraser, erase the top guidelines. Then with a pencil and a blender, redraw the lines lightly. Do the same thing with the guideline on the bottom. Now by using a pencil, draw a shadow on the bottom left part of the lips. Remember to color it in darkly. Then use a blender to not have sharp edges. Now erase the top guidelines from the center and also add some highlights. Add some darker shades with the pencil and blend it out to give the realistic effect. On the top lip, draw some curved dark lines, then use an eraser to show where the light is reflecting. Add a small highlight at the top of the lip and darken the area around it. Use an eraser to draw some more highlights on the bottom lip, then use a pencil to show the individual lines. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like tutorials on any specific thing, let me know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.